today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? Within 1 minute, we had a 1,000 US dollar dump for Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin was going up like crazy recently. But now, of course, the most important question is this the beginning of Bitcoin reversing to the downside? Or was it a quick liquidation wick to wick out high leveraged people and then go towards the upside? I want to talk about that. I want to talk about my trade, which I'm having open because I do not do day trading, because I do not open trades on an hourly basis and close them again. These trades here, 240,000 and 60,000 US dollars respectively, 300,000 US dollars in a profit, they are still open. And now the question is, what should we do trading wise for Bitcoin to rule the situation right now? What are the next price targets? Let's jump straight into the charts and talk about. All right, dear ladies and gentlemen, I just quickly forgot because I immediately started recording the video. The reason for why this is happening, actually while I was recording, I didn't even know. Let's go straight into it before I go back into the charts and actually show you the price targets, the game plan, and all important towards the Bitcoin price. Not only Bitcoin went down, the US dollar index went higher and the US Treasury went higher. Actually, if you go on investing.com, you can go everywhere. You can see we just had a crazy chain reaction of event. Value completely destroyed on the market, stock markets, crypto and everything. And why? Because of the CPI data coming out, being actually this time a little bit more surprising than not. Now let's go back straight into the charts, but make sure you always check out the news. It's just interesting to educate yourself about the connection between macroeconomics and the price. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I truly appreciate every single one of you watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. And now let's go straight into it. Of course, if you want to be trading as well, what just happened is the best example. Be careful. Be an experienced trader. Know what you are doing. But if you want to open trades like this as well, make sure you are experienced. And yes, in the pinned comment down below, $10,000 up to 10,000 US dollars bonus on these exchanges can be yours after signing up with my link down below and depositing. Be careful AF though. Now let's talk and let's actually start with the weekly candles. And you will say, no, Chris, it's so exciting now on the shorter time frames. So we will come to that. Hear me out, guys. So what you can see here is this before, like just a few minutes ago, beautiful weekly candle just turned red. What we want to see here, obviously, is this unfolding as a W pattern. Is this with the weekly candle, this or next week, closing above 24,400 US dollars. If this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is happening, then we are actually looking at a potential price target of, wow, look, I mean, of 30, actually it's below 31,000, 30,500 I would say, more or less, give or take, for this W breakout. Now, why is this still much more far away than we actually might have thought 10 minutes ago? One very important resistance line, and I want to draw perfectly here for you, is this one here. This is actually the 6-month resistance. 6 month, it's still not perfect. 6 month, we were going down. Since Bitcoin was rejected at approximately 46,000 US dollars, Bitcoin was going down, hitting the resistance once again and once again. Now we have this breakout attempt. But let me actually flip the camera. Actually, now we got this big rejection. But I can tell you, we are on the weekly candles and we are far from the end of the week. So before going crazy, jumping into crazy short positions, on the weekly candles where we are doing position and swing trades, kindly wait, hold on a little bit and wait for the weekly close. And here's the game plan. If Bitcoin, and this is my own subjective strategy, if Bitcoin closes at these levels where we are right now, 21,700 or lower, this is a bearish situation. This is considered a weekly rejection at the trend, at the downtrend. If we are closing above though, I have to sell well above, somewhere above 22,500 US dollars. A close above on the weekly would trigger actually a furthermore continuation towards the upside, a retest of the W neckline, 24,700. And in this case, honestly, if we already broke the 6-month resistance towards the upside, most likely a break of the W pattern and therefore a pump towards the 30,000 US dollar price levels, which I mentioned earlier. And now I want to know from you, do you think today's crazy event here of Bitcoin actually getting this insane, let me actually show you this one here, insane liquidation wick to the downside? And yes, guys, this is the 1-minute candles on Bybit. I actually made this tweet here earlier. Bitcoin just dumped 1,000 in 1 minute. Crazy. Do you think this is the beginning of the end here furthermore? Or do you think this is a quick pit stop? Let me know. However, if you are a trader, you do A when A happens, you do B when B happens. Exclude emotions. Don't try to play the guessing game. Wait for the market to tell you what to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, by the way, before, just for everyone who stayed here until the very end. Wow, it's so cold here. Let me actually show you something. That was my bedroom balcony. I'm doing an ice bath now. You see it? Anyways, as always, guys, bye-bye.